Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be playing Monkey City again. When I rewatched the video, you could not hear me at all, but I uploaded it anyways. Oh yeah, that video has 1 view. No, I misclicked. Give me it, give me it. Give me it, give me it. What's that? No, my it. What? Ninja Kiwi. Ninja Kiwi. Wow, wow, wow. What am I even doing anymore? I have to speak in a really loud voice so you guys can actually hear me. Okay, where should I go? What should I even do? Plenty of... Therefore... Okay, is there any towers I'd like to... Not really. For me and all this. Right, cannon support. Yes, wait for that. What did that one do? Oh, please don't know. This is so painful. I'm gonna go for a 5-star, guys. Are you excited to see me go for 5 stars? I bet you are! Okay, anyways. It's not as good as the other ones. Do I only have dark monkeys for... Oh my god. This sounds really good, honestly. I still like the other one better. No, I leave. All I can do is help sell and lose some towers. I feel like I can put them in the best positions. You guys probably can't even hear me there. I'm just trying my best to make good content. But I have. I'm just trying my best. Oh my god, I'm probably the most cringy as usual, honestly. Can I try and do a 5-star? No, I don't want a free balloons then. No, bomb towers are restricted. Oh my god, this could be pain. Wait. Why if I go for the same strat? Actually, like last time. That's a good spot. also subscribe if I beat this.
You don't. But I want you to subscribe right now so I can get 30 subscribers.
Do you think I can beat this, guys? Do you believe in me? If you believe in me, tell me. Yeah, that if yeah, this cringe. Okay, I'm trying to be cringy. Is it working? Do I want to start cringe? Okay, 7. Round 7. Come on, I want to beat this only 3, don't we? I'm not, that's actually a good try. I can do it. Oh, one extra power, one extra make this. Oh, red bone. It's awesome. One power for spikes. To minimize the Figure out. Yes! Okay, I did it. Okay, you guys have to subscribe now. Oh my gosh, you have to subscribe. Getting so much money. No, I don't have money. I'd get money if you subscribe. My monkeys. What can I do in here that would help? Treasure quest. Get a treasure chest. Okay, where's the quest? No, it's a 5. I could be a 500, but I might go some more towers. This is for the video, by the way. I'm just gonna try and beat it. I can actually use bomb shooter this time, which makes me happy. I'm gonna place them right here. Second tower, I get down here. A 0-0 dark monkey. Sharp shots. I'm gonna take down the start. Probably what I just could have done in the first place. But I want it to be more interesting. Yeah. It's a hard one. It might restrict the bomb. I'll save you. Where's the? Oh no, where's the? Oh god. Sorry that I panicked, guys. I have adophobia. I thought that'd be an ad. I'm gonna get in a 4th dark monkey. Ooh, it's a tier 3. Oh, that's such a good map though. Woo! Yes. No, wait. Okay, now we're done being hyped up. I'm gonna put this down. I feel like this is a good start. The second button to Origin. Two maxed out Dark Monkey. Okay, just take out the tower. Towers? Did I just see towers? I mean the balloon. Come on. I want the balloon. Yeah! I'm gonna have 4. 4 Dark Monkeys. That's great. That's actually really good. Oh, 4 Dark. My ear! Not for now. No! Hi guys. The ad made me have to reopen Monkey City. Oh my god. Why is there so much pain? Oh yeah, be right back. I'm gonna do something. Why am I saying be right back? I was just turning the light switch in my room because it's too bright and my eyes are hurting. I'm gonna die. Anyway. For this now, the tower we're getting down. We're getting down a Dark London, okay? Yeah, it's about right. Oh, I thought it was 5, it's 4. 4. Okay, I could just do the same strat but build on it with my new towers. I don't even know how long this video is yet. We should be able to take down the early round. Have you guys subscribed yet? Have you guys subscribed yet? What was it doing? What's in the comments like me out of context because I feel like that would be crazy. I'm crazy. Give me more. I should get up to top. Out of 9, just an army of Dark Monkeys to be working. Got 4 Dark Monkeys on 5. That should be good. Dead, dead, dead. Oh yeah, if you didn't know yet, I'm British, mate. That was the worst thing ever. And I've done some really bad and freaking... Yeah, I mean that one. Oh god, yellows and pinks are dangerous. I want a treasure chest. Do you know bomb shooters shoot in time of the movement when they shoot me? I don't know, but I realized. See that wall just moving? So yeah, video is kind of cool. Might end it soon. It's my second video of the day. And you guys know I don't upload. Please subscribe so I uploaded. Friends can visit each other's cities and help them get rid of balloon spies. Where does balloon spies? Okay.